How to view and delete saved passkeys on Android. This tutorial shows you how to manage the passkeys stored on your device for signing into apps and websites. First, open the Google-related app on your device. After that, tap on your profile picture at the top right. From there, tap on Manage your Google account. At this point, tap on the Security tab at the top. In the next step, scroll down and tap on Passkeys and Security keys. Following this, you may be asked to verify your identity using your fingerprint, face, or PIN. Once done, you'll see a list of accounts and services where you've saved a passkey. From here, tap on the specific account you want to view. At this stage, if you'd like to remove it, tap on the trash or delete icon next to that passkey. Keep in mind, deleting a passkey means you'll need another way to sign in, like a password, so make sure you have one set up first. Finally, tap Delete again to confirm and remove the saved passkey completely. And that's it. If this guide helped you view and delete saved passkeys on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.